This is a project file from Scratch 2.0, the coding platform. You don't open it in Windows, you upload it to the MIT Scratch editor online. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's load it up. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed, acts as a quick test for SB2 file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. The underlying technology places the SB2 firmly in the game file collection. The data is officially packaged using Scratch 2.0 project file technology. The SB2 file type is a Scratch project file created with version 2.0 of the visual programming language Scratch. It stores all the code blocks, sprites, backgrounds, and sounds that make up an educational coding project. Developed by the MIT Media Lab, the design rule is that the file is actually a zip archive containing a project.json file, which defines the program logic, and media files, images, sounds for the sprites and stage. MIT Media Lab maintains the integrity of the SB2 specification through MIT Scratch. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows offers minimal insight, so reading or editing game files requires engine-aware applications. Open the context menu on the SB2 file and choose Open With. Your priority is testing MIT Scratch. If it fails or is absent, select another program and test until you get access. If your SB2 file will not open, do not worry. The fact that the file is stubborn means we need to look at 3 predictable errors. Here's a simple, short list of the common culprits and how to check them on your system. First, use Scratch 2.0. Open the file using the Scratch 2.0 offline editor or upload it to the Scratch 2.0 website to run the educational programming project. Next, check for dependencies. Ensure all audio files, images, and sprites referenced by the project are correctly embedded or accessible. Finally, convert to SB3. Use the Scratch 3.0 offline editor to open the SB2 file, which will automatically convert it to the newer SB3 format. When compatibility tests fail, this is final confirmation that another utility is required. The right move is to proceed with a specialized opener built for complex SB2 files. When failure is not an option, rely on File Magic. Its best feature is the way it effortlessly handles corrupted archives, letting you view the SB2 content instantly. Check out filemagic.com to download now. Your file corruption should be history. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.